Illuminate SOFICO's 1,675-mile network of Walloon national roadways and highways in a smart and ecological fashion. This is the goal of Plan Lumières 4.0. This smart road lighting system, combined with the installation of roadside units, will transform Walloon highways into Europe's first connected highways that will be adapted to future self-driving vehicles. Our fast lanes will be equipped with the best vehicle and pedestrian detection technologies, including presence sensors, Doppler radars, and Bluetooth cameras, all of which will be managed from the Parex Center. This ambitious project will allow us to convert the 100,000 sodium lights that illuminate our roads with more energy-efficient LEDs in the next 4 years. The combination of LED lighting with this new lighting management system will yield energy savings of 76%, which represents about 1.3 billion kilowatt-hours. In addition, greenhouse gas emissions are expected to be cut by 166,000 tons over 20 years. This new technology, which involves the use of a colder light temperature, will be adapted to the human eye, enabling drivers to better distinguish details on the road and improve depth perception. It will eliminate halos, a cause of light pollution. A true asset for our safety, the LED system will offer less diffused lighting and better color vision. To ensure optimized lighting usage, the lights will adjust to real-time traffic, weather conditions, accidents, as well as road constructions. Here are some cases that highlight the features. The presence detection system will increase lighting intensity to ensure the safety of oncoming vehicles. Exchangers will light up to secure the access and warn other drivers when a vehicle is coming from the highway ramps. At pedestrian crossings, increased intensity will alert drivers of the presence of pedestrians and allow them to better see. Thanks to the data collected from a network of 52 weather stations, lighting will adjust to severe weather. In the event of snowfall or dense fog, the intensity will automatically adjust. Thanks to geolocalization of the technical teams, the stretches of roads where the works will be carried out will be illuminated at 100%. In the event of an accident, lighting levels will automatically be increased on the involved stretch of road, keeping everyone safe and facilitating the intervention of emergency services. If a vehicle drives the wrong way, lights will flicker to warn drivers and other users on the road. Everything will be done to limit users' discomfort and traffic disruptions. Works and maintenance will be performed at night on highly transited roads, and planning will take into account disruptions due to bad weather. In partnership with University of Liège's scientists, Plan Lumières 4.0 also aims for biodiversity's preservation. By preserving Natura 2000 zones, among others, lighting will take into consideration the behavioral specificities of Wallonia's animal species regarding light. This Plan Lumières 4.0 will preserve fauna's night cycles by imitating the variations of natural lighting, as well as flora's cycle by preserving plants and trees' chlorophyll production cycles, with a lighting mainly oriented toward the road. Plan Lumières 4.0 is a 20-year public-private partnership. It will create 400 new jobs and will require 100,000 hours of training. Through Plan Lumières 4.0, the entire network will be upgraded without increasing the budget, while improving the system's performance and availability.